8.
8 and
Excellent. Yes, 8 another 8.
equals 16.
Yes, dear. What do you observe now, Fatima?
I'm so sorry. 16 plus
4
16.
and 4, 8 and 8. Then the next answer, you finish what?
Miss, I didn't hear you.
Miss, please, I want to answer.
1 minute, Mazen, please. Fatima, what do you see? You didn't see this. You didn't see the screen or what?
No, I didn't see this.
All of you can see the screen?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Yes,
teacher, I can.
yes, teacher.
We can.
You can't or you can?
We can.
Okay, Fatima, maybe you have a problem in your internet connection. Please leave and come again quickly.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, the Mazen, complete Mazen. Mazen. Where is him? Where is? Okay, Arwa. Arwa?
Teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes, dear. Huh?
3 to power. I complete this.
I'm here. We didn't finish the first question.
Okay.
We didn't finish the first
Teacher,
question.
it is with multiplication, not with addition. We will
Both of
multiply
them
by
are correct.
2.
Arwa, both of them are correct. Here I double the number. 2 and 2, 4 and 4, 8 and 8, 16 and another 16. What about if you double the number? You multiply by 2?
32.
Yes, you can double 16. It will be 32. Or if you try to use multiplication, you will find you are in multiplication table 2. So you also multiply by 2. So the answer here is 32. Thank you, Arya. Mustafa? Mustafa, do you hear me? Lujaina?
Yes, we will make
Yes.
3 power 7 divided 3 power 4.
Yes.
We will make 7 minus 4, it will be 3. So the answer will be 3 power 3.
Yes. Here we have 3 to the power of 7 and divided by 3 to the power of 4. If you have the same base, what will you do? In the division, subtract the powers. So here, don't touch this. So here, put it here again. Now we have division. What I will do in the powers? Subtract. In the division, subtract 7 minus 4. So the answer is 3 to the power of 3. Like this. Okay, but if you didn't find this 3 divided 3 over 3 and also this like 27. Yani if you find this answer is correct and this answer also is correct, it means you multiply 3 by itself by 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 give you 27. This answer is correct, and if you didn't find it, try to solve this one. 3 to the power of 3 give me 27. So this answer is correct, and also this answer is correct. Now I need Yusuf.
Miss Yusuf mean. Okay.
Yusuf Akram.
Okay.
Okay.
5 by
yes.
5 by 5 power 3.
Yeah. What I will do now?
I will 5 times 5.
Mm-hmm.
5 power 3.
Yusuf, we have the same idea here, dear. Here we have the same base, 5 and 5. What about your powers? Here we have 5, and if you don't see here any power, it means 5 to the power of what? This is what?
This is
1.
1.
1, excellent. So it means 5 to the power of 1, like this. In the multiplication, if you have the same base, 5 and 5, what will you do in the powers?
I will plus.
Yes, you add. So this 5, don't touch it. This is my base now. And I will add the part. Here I have 1. Teacher, but he didn't write 1. But you know that it's 1. So it's 1 plus 3. Right or no? So the answer is?
Equal
Give me
5
now
over
the final. Yes, the final
Okay.
answer is 5 to the power of 4. Yeah. Thank you. Anyone has any question until now?
No.
Anyone has any question?
No, thanks, teacher.
Okay, now let's go down a little bit. Question number 4. Mariam. Okay, Hannah. Yeah, Hannah.
Yes, miss.
Yes, dear. Question number 4. Read it, please.
Any equilateral triangle, the ratio between its side lengths to its perimeter equals.
Perimeter equals what? The ratio of the side lengths and its perimeter. Okay, we are now in the equilateral. What do you mean of equilateral triangle, Hannah?
The math is closed.
Hello?
With 8 sides.
Equilateral triangle. What the meaning of it? You said what, please? Raise your voice.
Triangle equal from the same from all
It means
sides.
what? Yeah, it means we have a triangle and all the sides are equal, right or no? It means
Yes.
if I have here 5 centimeter, it means here also 5 centimeter and here also 5 centimeter. If I have 6 centimeter, 6. Okay. So the equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. Okay, this is the first point. Move with the question step by step. He needs to bring the ratio. Ratio between what and what? We have here the first part and here the second part. The first value and the second value. The first value is its side. And the second value is the perimeter. Perimeter of the equilateral triangle equals what? What do you mean of perimeter? You can tell me. To bring the perimeter of any polygon, what I will do? The meaning of the word perimeter here.
5 plus 5 plus 5.
Yes, excellent, Yusuf. If you add all the sides, you bring the perimeter. This in case to bring the perimeter of the triangle only? No. The meaning of perimeter grade 7 is the length around the shape. If you move around any polygon and add all the sides, you bring the perimeter of it. The bring of the square, move around it and add all the sides. The perimeter of the rectangle, move around it and add all the sides. Here also, if you add 5 plus 5 plus 5, you bring the perimeter of this triangle. What the meaning of 5 plus 5 plus 5? Can I write it by another way? I repeat 5 how many times?
5 multiplies 3.
5 power
Excellent.
3.
Excellent. Not power, by, not power, not by. You have a difference between power and pi. Don't confuse. I repeat 5 3 times. So I can multiply 5 times 3. Okay, 5 times 3 give me what?
15.
Okay, now let's write. The side length is 5. Now I put this number from my mind. 5 to 15, like this. Now, what I will do, I will simplify them. 5, yeah, simplify now. Give me what? 5 and 15. And which table? Both of them.
1 to 3.
Yes, both of
1
them,
to
yeah,
3.
both of them in table
5.
5. So, yeah, this is 1 and this is 3. Teacher, this only if I take 5 and 5? No, if you make it 1. So the answer will be 1 to 3. If you make it 2, the answer will be 1, 2, 3. If you make it 6, 1, 2, 3. Why, teacher? Because this one side, if you multiply by 3, give you perimeter. So 1, 2, 3. You got it, grade 7?
Yes, teacher.
Now, if you change this number and write any number from your mind, you will get it also. You will get 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Now, let's see question number 5. I need Mahmoud.
Teacher, I don't know the name. I can't change it.
Raise your voice, please.
I can't understand.
Teacher, I'm our teacher, but
Yes,
I can't
Arwa.
change the name.
Okay, no problem, dear. You are Arwara.
Number
Who
4,
said
I
he
can't
can't
understand it.
Who said?
Yusuf.
Yes, Yusuf. Again, Yusuf. Again. Now, you understand this part? To bring the perimeter, I will multiply one side by 3.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if I write now 5 to 15, and I need to simplify it. Both of them are in table what? The common factor is 5 and 15. Both of them are in table what?
5.
To bring the common, yes, 5. It means you will divide by 5 here and you divide by 5 here. 5 divided by 5 give me 1, and 15 divided by 5 give me 3. So the final answer 1/3. Teacher, this is if I write 5. What about if you change the number and write 4? You will get the same answer. Let's see. 4, 4, 4. So my side now is
12.
my side now. The side only is
4.
the side 4. Excellent. 2. The perimeter is
12.
excellent. Now let's simplify them. Both of them are in table.
4.
Yes. 4 divided by 4 give me
1.
1. 12 divided by 4 give me
3.
3. We get the same answer or no, Yusuf?
Yes.
It means what? By logic, we are in equilateral triangle. If you repeat the side 3 times, you get the perimeter. So if you wanted to make the ratio between the side length and its perimeter, you multiply the side length by 3. You got it now?
Yes.
Thank you, dear. Arwa.
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
if
dear. We
the
are
sum-
in, yes, 1 minute to erase all of these and move down a little bit. Okay.
If the sum of all edges of the cube is 132, then its volume. First of all, teacher, we will divide 132 by 6.
Complete your answer. Then
teacher, then we will get the one of like the
1 minute,
centimeter.
Arwa. 1 minute, Arwa. Let's move step by step. Let's take each sentence. The sum of all the edges of the cube is 132. 1 minute. How many edges in the cube?
8, I think.
Are you sure?
I mean, no, 12.
Yes, like this. We have in the cube 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. If I add all of them, give me 132. Okay, now I know that I have to. Why you will divide them? Why you need to divide?
Because like we can get the sum of one edge.
Yes, why you need to divide? You need what? You need what from the division here? I need to bring the volume. Why I divide now this 132 divided by 12? Because you need what?
I need the centimeter, or like the sum of one edge. The centimeter of one. I mean the length.
Can you give? Yes, yes. I need the side length to bring the volume. Give me the rule.
we will make the sum multiply. Divide by 12.
I need the rule of the volume to bring the rule of the volume of the cube. Yeah.
I think we will multiply side length by side length.
By side length 3 times, Arwa. If you multiply side length by itself, you bring the area of the square. But I need the volume now, so I have 3 dimensions. It means
so we will divide it 3 times.
Times the length times length also here, because all the sides here are equal. We are in we are in the cube. Okay, but I don't have this length side. I don't have the side.
To get the length, we will divide 132 divided by 12.
Yes, 132 divided by 12 give me multiplication table.
It will give me 11. I mean 11.
Yes, like this multiplication table 12 very important in grade 7. If you divide 132 by 12, will give you 11, because 12 will give me 132. Now I get the side length or one edge, so it will be 11
times 11 times 11.
Yes, 3 times. Now 11 times 11 give you
121.
121. Now you can multiply by another 11. 3 digits.
It will be 1, 2, 1. And then we put the 0.
Okay.
And then it will be 1, 2, and 1 again. 1,
2, 1, like this. Then add. So
then add, it will be 1,331.
1,331. Like this. With the letter C. Thank you, Arwa. Do you have any question, grade 7?
No.
All of you got it?
Miss, why we make plus 1,210?
This, Habibi, here I multiply 3 digits by 2 digits. Okay. Now this 121, if you multiply 121 by 1, give you 121. Then I will go to the next digit with 0 and multiply 121 by 1. It will be 100. Then add. Okay, the normal multiplication. But I know you use your calculator. I know. You forgot everything about the multiplication and the I know you forgot everything for the multiplication and the division. I know.
Teacher, I don't use the calculator.
Okay, dear. Question number 6, and this is the last today, inshallah. I need Mustafa. Okay, Muhammad.
Yes, miss.
Yes, dear. Can you read the question number 6?
Of course. The diagonals are perpendicular in each of.
Yeah. What's the meaning of diagonals, grade 7?
Teacher, I'm saying it like this. I know, teacher. It means like.
Okay, let's revise what the meaning of the diagonal. If I draw something like rectangle or square like this,
yes,
the 2 line segments from the vertex to the other vertex, the opposite vertex, this is called the diagonal. And here also we have another diagonal. The square, we have also 2 diagonals from the vertex to the opposite vertex, and here like this. The question is, the diagonals are perpendicular. What's the meaning of perpendicular? Make 4 right angles like this.
I know, teacher.
Where we can find the 2 diagonals are perpendicular? Where?
Miss, can I say?
Who can tell me?
Miss, can I say?
Teacher,
yes, you can. Who can tell me? Yes, dear, you can.
Square and rhombus.
Excellent. Square and rhombus. Look, grade 7. In the quadrilateral, What the meaning of quadrilateral means all the shapes which have 4 sides. All the shapes which have 4 sides. The common shapes, rectangle, square, and rhombus. We have also rhombus. Let's draw it. Rhombus here in front of your eyes. 1 minute. This is a rhombus. I will erase this one to draw for you. And what is the difference between the diagonals in them? I will draw the rhombus here. And I will draw down square. This is a square. Okay. Now let's go to our diagonals here and here and here. This is a square. And this is in the rhombus. All the diagonals in the parallelograms, like rectangle, square, rhombus, bisect each other. What the meaning of bisect each other? This part equal this part. This part equal this part. And here also, this part equal this part. This part equal this part. So bisect each other in all the parallelograms. I mean, in the parallelograms, each 2 opposite sides are parallel. Where? In rectangle, square, rhombus. But in the rectangle, the 2 diagonals equal in length. The 2 diagonals are equal in length, but not perpendicular. In the rhombus, perpendicular, I will draw the sign for perpendicular instead of writing.
Perpendicular, but not
equal, yes. Again, the diagonal in the rectangle are equal in length, but not perpendicular. And in the rhombus, perpendicular, but not equal in length. What about the square? Both of them equal and perpendicular. You got it now? We are speaking about diagonals. Okay, dears? So, if he is asking about the diagonals are perpendicular, where and where? We have rhombus and rectangle. And the square, sorry. If he is asking about the diagonals are equal, where and where? Rectangle and also square. Square common between them. Equal and perpendicular. So we can see the diagonals are perpendicular where and where? Square and rhombus. Okay, grade 7, do you have any question here?
No, thanks.
What about the parallelogram?
Parallelogram only we have one property is bisect each other. And if you draw something like this, not perpendicular, not equal in 1 minute, draw it for you. Just bisect each other, dear. This parallelogram, the diagonal in the parallelogram bisect each other. What do I mean of bisect each other? If you draw the diagonals like this, each 2 parts are equal. This is the first one and this is the second one. So this part equal this part and this part equal this part. This is called bisect each other. But in the rectangle, look here, equal. What the meaning of equal? All the line segments equal the second line segment. You got it, dear? All the parallelograms. What the meaning of the parallelograms? Parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus. We can say on them parallelograms. What the meaning of the word parallelograms? Each 2 opposite sides are parallel. So all of them, we have a common thing. Bisect the diagonals in them, bisect each other. Okay, so the parallelogram here only bisect each other, not perpendicular and not equal in length. Do you have any question here?
No. No, thank you.
You got it, all of you?
Yes.
Okay, dears. Thank you for your time. I was happy to be with you today. Inshallah, I will see you in the next time. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Thank you, teacher.
Goodbye, dear.
Goodbye.
Thank you for your